Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make iCloud backup faster. So, first tip, go to Photos and let's delete unimportant photos or videos. Second tip, make sure you have fast internet connection. And third tip, go to Settings, press on your name, press on iCloud, press Manage Storage, press on Backups, press on your name or your device, and press on Show All Apps, and turn off apps that you don't want them to back up to your iCloud. And that should reduce your backup size and make it backup faster. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any question you have in the comment section below. And I will see you guys next time.